How to fix if sound is playing only from the headphones but not from the speakers of your phone. So if you want to fix if sound is playing only from the headphones but not from the speakers of your phone, then what you need to do is you just need to simply restart your device. The first solution is to restart, and after restarting, if that doesn't fix your problem, then go with the control center. Open up your control center, which is right here, and under your control center, you just need to simply go and turn off your Bluetooth or turn on your Bluetooth, and again connect it, and after connecting, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the third solution is you just need to simply go with the earphone plugging hole, and you just need to simply go with some cotton buds or something like that, and you need to remove the dirt or debris which are present there. Just clean it, and once you've cleaned, then insert your earphones and your problem might be fixed. And you can also clean the speakers also. You'll have speakers on the bottom and on the upper side of your device, so you can just go and clean the speakers also and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then you just need to simply go and check that if you've installed any applications like third-party applications. So if you've installed any third-party applications before, then you just need to simply go and delete the applications, and after that your problem might be fixed. So that's how you can fix if the sound is playing only from the headphones but not from the speakers of your phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.